Why family is important. Family is not just where life begins, it's where love never ends. In the embrace of family, even the heaviest burdens feel lighter. Success feels empty when you have no family to share it with. Family is the one team that never quits on you. Money builds houses, but family builds homes. The love of family is life's greatest blessing. Family is the anchor that holds us steady in life's storms. Without family, roots are weak and wings cannot fly far. A happy family is the foundation of a meaningful life. In the warmth of family, even the coldest nights feel safe. Family is the mirror in which we see our truest selves. To have a family that loves you is to have a treasure no gold can buy. Home is not a place, it's the people we call family. Every family story is a love story written by sacrifice. Family means we are never truly alone. In times of success, friends cheer, but in times of pain, family stays. Behind every strong person is a family who believed in them. Family is the first school, the first shelter, the first love. A family's strength is not measured by perfection but by unity. The richest man is poor without family by his side. Family gives us roots to stay grounded and wings to soar high. The bond of family is built not with wealth but with moments. Family is the thread that weaves our life story together. To be loved by family is to be blessed beyond measure. Family love is unconditional, timeless, and irreplaceable. Without family, even victories feel lonely. Family teaches us forgiveness before the world teaches us pain. A strong family is a fortress no storm can break. True wealth is measured by the love of family, not by coins. In the book of life, family writes the most important chapters. Family is a circle of love that expands with every generation. Our first teachers, our first friends, and our first supporters, family. The strength of a family lies in its togetherness, not its size. Family is the only place where love multiplies as it's shared. A home filled with family love is brighter than palaces. Family gives us courage when the world gives us fear. To walk with family is to never walk alone. Family is the heartbeat of every happy life. The love of family makes ordinary days extraordinary. Family is the invisible shield that protects our hearts. No distance is too far for the bond of family. When life breaks us, family gathers the pieces. Family makes us rich in ways money never can. Time spent with family is never wasted, it's invested. Family is the compass that guides us through life's journey. A united family can overcome any challenge. Family is not just important, it's essential to the soul. To love your family is to honor life itself. Family bonds are stronger than any storm. Family is the seed from which kindness grows. Without family, the house feels empty, no matter how grand. Family love doesn't fade with distance or time. When everything falls apart, family keeps us together. Family is the language of love everyone understands. True happiness begins at home with family. Family is the quiet strength behind every great achievement. With family beside you, every path feels possible. Family is the home we carry in our hearts. In the story of life, family is the first and last chapter. Family is the only constant in a changing world. Every smile is brighter when shared with family. Family is not about blood alone, but about love and loyalty. A family's love is the greatest inheritance we can pass on. Without family, even triumph tastes bitter. Family is the reason we dream and the support that makes dreams real. Family is the root of patience, kindness, and strength. In family, we find not only love but purpose. The arms of family turn houses into heavens. A family's love is medicine for the heart. Family makes the past meaningful and the future hopeful. To have family is to never be poor in love. Family is the gift we are given before we even know life. The love of family gives courage to face any fear. Family is proof that love is stronger than time or distance. A strong family builds strong generations. Family is the bond that gives life meaning. In family, we learn to share joy and carry pain together. Family love is unconditional, given without asking, lasting without end. Family is the fire that keeps our hearts warm. The love of family is the foundation of every true success. With family, we grow. Without family, we merely exist. Family is the safest harbor for a weary soul. To be loved by family is to be truly alive. A family's prayers are the most powerful protection. Family turns ordinary meals into celebrations. Family is the place where we are loved as we are. Family is not perfect, but it is priceless. In every smile of a child lies the strength of family. Family is where love begins and never ends. Nothing is stronger than the heart of a family.